Hey guys, welcome to the new video. I'm just gonna keep this intro very simple. Just we are going to create a tray icon, which here you can see NVIDIA GeForce. When I click this, it's open the GeForce experience, and here you can see safely remove the hard drive and eject Windows Defender, etc. So like this. So what if we want to display our Python code in here using the PyTray module? So let's go with an example. As you can see, I am running a Python code. You can see the display icon is displayed here. It's recording my audio, and the speaker is in off condition. Actually, this is a hint of a Jarvis version 4, and it will be announced soon, guys. Yeah, here. When I click this button, you can see it's saying Jarvis version 4. When I right click this one, it says open, hide, exit. So if I click the hide, the icon disperse, and you cannot see a taskbar icon also here. If I click this again and click open, you can see it's again displayed. You can also see this, it's also displayed on our taskbar too. And again, let's hide. You can see it's also hidden in the taskbar. Yep, just right click and click exit, and yep, it's gone. You can see. So this is how we gonna manage our program. Now I'm gonna just teach you the tutorial how to do this basically. Then we'll go move on to our Jarvis version 4 in future video. If I have uploaded the video, I'll give a link in the description and comment box, etc. It is something like this: Jarvis online listening for magic word, and you can see it is displaying the CPU usage, RAM usage. RAM actually shows 42% point. Okay, that's good. That really works. Yeah, let's close this one. Let's head into the tutorial. Yeah, we see pystray So guys, we need two import statements here. Let's go and import pystray. Before that, we need to install the pystray. I have already import pil.image. You can also import pil direct. Okay, let's go to our new terminal. Pip install pystray. Let's go here. Already satisfied with the requirement. Let's go again. Pip install pillow. Yep, we need the pillow because we are going to display an image in that icon, right? So that's all. So now let's give a path to our image. It can be a PNG, it can be a JPEG, anything. But before that, make sure that the length and width are of the same, or the image may look zigzag. So next, let's go create a function called trayfunc. Let's go trayfunc. Okay, inside this trayfunc, we are not going to give anything, guys, and then we just gonna print, let's say hello, and then right now we are going to create this tray here. Tray is equal to pystray dot icon, which you should use the capital for this one icon. You should pass any name here. It can be Cartus, comma, the image path, which is image, comma, let's give a name here, which is the name which we are going to display while we hover on this one. See, NVIDIA GeForce game driver ready to update is available. Yeah, let's give the name here. Let's say scribe Cartus. Yep, then we go menu is equal to pystray dot menu with the capital M, and open the box. Oh, I'm sorry, the name, it has a typo. It's pystray, stray. Same here, pystray, and same here too, pystray. Yes, pystray.menu. And then for the first menu, let's go pystray dot menu item, and inside the bracket, let's say give a name. Let's print hello, comma, the trayfunc. Let's call this trayfunc here. Yes, no need to give comma. Let's just run this function. Yes, let's go. Yeah, this actually the function is not called. Let's go stray dot run. Yep, let's run now. Yeah, you can see we got the subscribe card is here. Let's click on that. Let's go right click. Let's click on the print hello. You can see we have printed the hello message here. And let's again go click on print hello. It's doing that without the while loop. You can do like that, guys. It's still the terminal. So let's go check how to print. Okay, actually, guys, the target is to give a exit button on your tab, right? So for the exit button, let's go again create a new function called exit fun. Yep, let's get func. It's nice. Let's just go stray dot stop. Yep. And then let's give a comma here, copy the whole line, just paste, just click with exit. We are going to head call the exit func. Yep. Now let's play. Yeah, you can see the exit button here. Print hello, and let's go exit. Yeah, the program has exited, and we don't see the icon right here. Cool, right? So now let's see how to create menu items, like a container which holds n number of menu items. Okay, let's go. Let's create. Okay, before that we need to give a comma. Pystray dot menu item. Let's give a name called, let's say, container, and comma, let's say pystray dot menu, and let's open the parenthesis and then just enter. Now let's create pystray dot menu item. Let's go frame1, and let's give let's create a new one, frame1. Same for the next one. Let's say frame2, and here we go frame2. Let's just create, let's go again, create frame1. Yeah, cool. Let's run this program. As you can see, let's right click this one. You can see the container, and while we hover, it's opening frame1 and frame2. Let's click the frame1. Here he say first container. Let's go frame2. Here he says second container. As you can see, we can also print hello, and we can also go click exit. Cool, right? So guys, take a quick tip if you have followed this long for this tutorial. Here, while we say, let's say here we pass a argument, let's go just print the text which we are passing as an argument in frame1. While we open the parentheses and like type here, what are you waiting for? Yeah, as you can see, we have passed argument inside the frame1, while we already have passed the frame1 argument into the main item. So while we click on the play, here you can see it is already printed that I'm here, what are you waiting for. While we'll right click on this one, let's go container1, frame1. Here we are not displaying the frame1 right now. While again, let's try for frame2. I am printing the frame2, but I'm not gonna print the frame1 because this is a wrong statement, guys. You should not give the arguments like this one. To give arguments, we gonna do a lambda here, just the lambda with a colon here. That's it. Let's click on the play. Okay, it's game one. Container frame1. Here you can see I'm waiting for audio writer. Yes, we have successfully cracked the code, guys. Frame2, we're gonna print this one. Yep, in future video I'll show you how to make this in my total complete project of Jarvis version 4. Thank you so much for watching this long for this video. I'll find you on my next video. Bye bye.